everyone, and welcome back to Ajayastromoneyguru. I'm Neena, and today we have some exciting updates and advanced analysis on the ever-changing world of commodities. Our first focus is on crude oil, and it's no surprise that the ongoing Israel-Hamas conflict is having a significant impact on prices. Crude oil prices are on the rise due to the persistent Israel-Hamas conflict. Brent January crude futures gained 23 cents, reaching $85.25 a barrel, after a slight drop of $1.33 on Tuesday. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures also showed an uptick, gaining 10 cents to reach $81.12 a barrel. Now, the big question is, how are global central bank meetings affecting this? Well, stay tuned because we'll discuss that shortly. But first, let's talk about how central bank meetings influence oil prices. The possibility of interest rate hikes to combat inflation can slow economic growth and reduce oil demand, while rate cuts can spur spending and increase oil consumption. The U.S. Federal Reserve, which is concluding its meeting today, is expected to hold rates steady, as indicated by a poll from CME's FedWatch tool. In Europe, October inflation in the Eurozone was at its lowest level in 2 years, leading to expectations that the European Central Bank is unlikely to hike interest rates soon. The Bank of England will also meet on Thursday. In the midst of all this, Goldman Sachs analysts have an interesting perspective. They predict that Brent prices could reach $100 per barrel by June as stocks gently descend. They also note that the market may become very tight in the distant future, with productivity and oil demand trends playing critical roles. It's an exciting time for the oil market, with so many factors at play. Now, let's turn our attention to the gold market. Gold prices had an impressive run last month due to the Middle East worries, which led to a strong safe haven rally. However, as we approach the U.S. Federal Reserve's policy decision, things are shifting. Spot gold fell 0.2% to $1,979.71 per ounce, and U.S. gold futures dropped 0.3% to $1,988.70. The focus is on the outcome of the Fed's two-day monetary policy meeting and the U.S. monthly jobs report later this week. It's worth noting that U.S. labor costs increased solidly in the third quarter with strong wage growth, while house price inflation accelerated in August. On the flip side, U.S. consumer confidence declined for a third straight month in October. Additionally, we have to consider the global impact on gold prices. Gold prices near record highs could dampen demand in India during the peak festival season, potentially leading to the lowest purchase volumes in 3 years, as suggested by the World Gold Council. That's all for today's updates on commodities. Stay tuned for more insights and analysis from Ajayastromoneyguru. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, knowledge is wealth. Until next time, this is Neena signing off.